welcome back to my channel. My name is Marley if you are new, and if not, girl, look at this. Crazy. Just a quick video. I want to introduce this glueless install, and it's like the newest trend of wigs, and it is a headband wig. So it's literally a wig. Look, no wig capped. I'm bald. Well, not bald. I have like a little baby fro, but I like to keep my head shaved. I used to have dreadlocks or locks. People don't like to say dreadlocks. I'm from the DMV, so we just say dreads. So I used to have dreads, and they were like about to here, and then I shaved my head, I want to say three years ago. And I love it. I love being free. Hair is something that clearly, like, I like to switch it up. But I was sent this wig by Klaiyi, or La. Klaiyi. I'm gonna say Klaiyi. Lord Jesus, this is the hair company that sent me this wig, and it was so, I'm not gonna lie, I've never seen anything like this. This hairstyle is not something that I would really do or wear, but I have to say I am living. And you just throw it on. It's literally like, it's crazy. Like, it's so crazy. I feel very exotic. No, I didn't put anything in it. It's fresh out of the box. And the only thing that I wish, because I'm actually kind of living for this. I do wish that they gave me like a cute little headband, because I don't wear headbands, but I think this is gonna be my gym wig. So I don't know what to do with it. I low-key just want to leave it like this. It's giving very like Slash. You guys know Slash from Guns N' Roses? His fucking sexy ass. What was I saying? They gave me a wig cap, and then like all these black silk scarves, which I think are great for using with other wigs, to, like, you know, melt the lace down. But we're just gonna put one of the scarves on today. I really wish I had a headband, but I don't. And I think this wig is also perfect, would be perfect if you had baby hairs and just gelled them down and then pulled it back. But I don't have any hair, so I cannot do that. But if you do, or if that's like a look that you do, I think this is perfect. This is like the perfect, and I wanted to review it because I feel like right now we're in a time where we're not doing glam that much, and we're not really, you know, we're not taking care of, let me not say not taking care of ourselves. We just want quick and wheezy F baby bitch, quick and easy styles, glam to run out the house, get what we need, and get the fuck back in the house. And I feel like this is perfect. I feel like I'm going to be running to this wig so much. So some details. This is, I guess, like a deep extreme curly wig. It's so crazy. Like I like can't stop touching it because I'm like, what, how do you, it's just, wow. Like, it's just a lot of hair, but I like it. And I feel like hair like this with a headband looks good, and I would wear it like this because it just looks like I have a fucking headband on. And you can't part it too, so yeah, so you would either need to wear it all to the back like that, or, I mean, for me, I'm more, you know, I need a, you know, I would wear it to the side like this. And I feel like what else, bitch, what else? So it did come with the silk scarf, so we're gonna put the scarf on, and then I think I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse just to see what it's gonna look like. But this is fresh out of the box, like, you don't need anything. So, and I just paired it with this really easy, like, you know, go to a little fall smoky eye. Ma'am, how y'all doing? What's up? What's going on, y'all? I wish I had a bandana. I do have this, but I wear this to the gym. It's kind of dingy, but I think this also would be really pretty too if you just like you know, just like threw this on like this. Ooh, 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 not on the brows, girl. If you just put it on like that and wore it like that, I think that's like really pretty too. So yeah, so just like such a quick, that's literally what I'm probably gonna do, because you know I'm a hood rat, so I love a bandana, and then I also love luxury, so come on, Red Dior. But yeah, let's I'm gonna show you guys it with the black scarf. But yeah, this is definitely gonna be my gym wig for sure, because you know the gym is the only place where I like, well, it's really like the only place that I go to. And I just started going back, like not a lot, but like enough, so I feel like you could wear it either way. I'm just gonna put it on like so. Should I just wear it like this, or tie it up like this, or? Oh, this is actually kind of a vibe. I'm just gonna double tie this. This is definitely a Target wig. Target, errands. Oh, there's a lot of hair. Oh my God, how do people, what? This is a wig my mom would love. Like, if she was to see me right now, she would be like, wow, that hair suits you. Very nice. Wow, okay. I don't hate it. Okay, let me add a little bit of, this is so interesting. Is this not the future? Wow, but it's a lot of hair. It's so much hair. I like it though. It's just, it's different. It's different. I do feel very Afrocentric. Okay, olive oil mousse. Oh my God, you guys, I cut my nails. Can you believe? Well, I didn't cut my nails. I took them off because I just want to be free right now. I'm trying something. I'm trying to, you know, be a little chic, and plus like have some like photo shoots that I want to do, and I want to have different nails for each one. So for those wondering, I know I've like never showed my nails. Okay, so how do I, I'm just gonna run it through. I'm just, can you guys tell I'm like obsessed with mousse? Like, I probably doesn't even need it, but I just love the way it smells, and I'm gonna put it in. Ooh, so it definitely makes the curls more defined. That's so pretty. Okay, definitely also don't need this much, but I'm gonna do it. Wow, this is really nice. Who am I? I wonder if you, are you supposed to mix this with water? Y'all are like, bitch, you supposed to be telling us. I'm sorry, I don't know. So I'm definitely out of my comfort zone, but I love this. Okay, let me put just a little bit more. Do you brush this? Is this brushable? What about up top? Okay, that's literally it. I'm not putting any more. This is so nice. Here, I'll scoot back so you guys can like see the whole thing. This is so nice. Wow. This is like the 2-minute wig. Not even 2 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute glam. This is, wow. Perfect. Literally perfect. This is the gym, errands, Target, glam. And then if you wear it with a really cute headband, but I see why they paired it with this black silk scarf, because it's just super easy. They knew. Wow. I don't know. I was gonna like show some different styles, but I don't know. I'll probably just wear it like this. So that's it all to the back. And then if I have glam, I'll just put it behind my ear so it's like not all in my face. Look how pretty. Wow. I'm living. I love this. Should we do a ponytail? What is my bra today? It wants me to be trashy. I'm trying to be not trying to be trashy today. Okay. Wow, this is the future. The future. Let's try ponytail. No? And here's it going this way to this side. What's my side, you guys? I feel like the other way. I always wear my hair the other way, but this is nice too. Ooh, if you guys are like traveling to like somewhere exotic, like now I want to go. I want to go to an island right now. Like this is giving me a vibe. And then you can just take it and make a cute little bun. And it does come with 2 combs, one in the front and one in the back. This is the gym hairstyle that I would do. And then I would just tie a scarf around it. Is this cute? Do people do this? I would do this literally to the gym. And then I would just secure the wig under the scarf. That way you get maximum hold. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is literally what I would do. It's like I'm ready, but I'm not ready, but I am ready. This is like I just woke up and I'm leaving the house. But like also too, it's very like beginner friendly. Like if I wanted a wig and I had no idea how to do like a frontal thing, I would get this wig for sure. All right, well, this is so much hair. Wow. Now I really wish I had a vacation to go to. Because this is like the perfect wig for that. Any of y'all bitches going on vacation, y'all get this wig? I hate you. Sorry. Just kidding. Just kidding. I low-key like, I want it like this. Can I like, yeah, like this is more, how do I get, I keep asking you guys. Okay, I need to watch some tutorials because this is a lot of hair, but it's very pretty. It's very pretty. I just don't think that it's, y'all know me. Y'all know my style. You guys know my vibe. But this is the finished hair from Klaiyi. It'll be linked below. I think I'm gonna wear it like this for the rest of the day. But this is the headband wig in the body wave deep curly hairstyle. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.